कुडतरीत 10 ते 13 फेब्रुवारी मजगती कार्निवालाच्यो कार्यावळी जातल्यो. गायन चित्रकला सर्ती आसतल्यो. 13 फेब्रुवाराक सांस्कृतिक कार्यावळी आनी फ्लोट परेड जातली. RDX गोवा ब्युरो रिपोर्ट.
So this time we are having Goan Voice All Goa Singing Competition, where we had auditions on 3rd. We had a tremendous response. There were around above 80 participants all over Goa. We have already selected, shortlisted the finalists who will be performing live on 12th. 10 from the seniors category and 8 in the juniors category. They have been selected who will be performing live on 12th on the main stage in Kutturi market. Like all these years, we have this drawing competition. This time also we are having drawing competition. There are 3 categories. First to KG1 and KG2 tiny tots. First to 4th sub-juniors and 5th to 8th junior category. Then on 13th we are having float parade, which will start at 3 PM from Maina market till Kutturi market, and after that
what time it start?
3 PM, followed by the on-stage cultural program.